Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today we'll be diving into a review of a mouse that's become an integral part of my daily workflow. It is the Logitech MX Master 3S, specifically designed for Mac. If you are in the market for a powerful and a versatile mouse, you really want to stick around for this one. So without wasting any further time, let's jump straight into the unboxing of this product. Let's start with the design. The MX Master 3S for Mac maintains that sleek and ergonomic design we have come to expect from Logitech. The premium build quality combined with a comfortable grip makes it a joy to use for extended periods. Now, what sets the MX Master 3S apart for Mac users are the tailored features. Logitech has really optimized this mouse for macOS. The customizable buttons are easily mapped to Mac specific functions, and the horizontal scroll wheel is a game changer. The Logitech options software is where the magic happens. The level of customization available for the buttons, gestures, and even application specific settings is impressive. It truly allows you to tailor the mouse to your unique workflow. So that's all about the unboxing part, and here's my take on this mouse. I really liked a few features about this mouse. It's a great ergonomical mouse, which I already told you in this video, and a few features which I'll be talking about. The first one being the easy switch. So it's a very great feature which I felt because I was working with multiple machines and I connected with both of them. Just press of one button, you switch between the devices and the mouse works seamlessly. The second thing being the build quality. As you might have already seen in this video, the build quality is very amazing. Initially I thought that this will be something metallic, but it's not. It's hard plastic, but still the quality is impressive. The buttons, the clickiness of buttons, the scroll, everything is just top notch. Also, one thing that I was really confused about before buying this product was the difference between the regular MX Master and the MX Master for Mac. Well, now it turns out that there is none. So yes, both the devices you can connect with this mouse and it'll work flawlessly. The only difference that it provides is a few buttons that you can customize according to the Mac controls. For example, drawing up the mission control and switching between apps, that can be done by click of a button, and some special gestures like you click and hold a button and then swipe on the left side the app switches. So these kinds of things are there which are specifically designed for Mac. Other than that, there is no other difference. These were almost all the pros which I felt about this mouse, and talking about the cons, there are not many except for the fact there is one, that there is no USB receiver. So in case your device's Bluetooth goes down, the mouse becomes unusable in that case. And let me mention this, that this is the case only with the MX Master 3S for Mac. For the regular one, you will get a USB receiver. So that was almost everything about this mouse. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da!